And he strictly charged them to tell no one about him. How remarkable is that? The whole thing is building up to a discovery of the identity of Jesus. Who do people say I am? This, and this. Yes, but who am I? You are the Christ. Good. I'm glad you've got that. I don't want you to tell anybody about my identity. Why was that? Well, it becomes very apparent. It becomes immediately apparent because Jesus explains that he's going to go up to Jerusalem and suffer at the hands of cruel people and be nailed to a cross and die, and on the third day to rise again. And Peter, the one who has made the great declaration, he starts to explain to Jesus, no, that's not what it means to be a Messiah. That's not Messiah, Jesus. You know, I just told you you're the Messiah, and now you're telling me what you're going to do. That's not what Messiahs do. Messiahs don't die. So Jesus says to Peter, get behind me, Satan, which is remarkable. One minute he's at the top of the class, and in the second minute he's expelled from the entire high school. And that ought to be a great encouragement to many of us. No. What was revealed privately was kept private until Jesus was able to make clear to people what it meant for him to say he was the Messiah. They understood his identity as Messiah, but they didn't know what Messiah meant. How could you have a Messiah who dies on the cross? Why do you have a king who rides on a donkey? Why do you have such a strange person when we're oppressed by all these things and he's not doing anything about it? We need these Romans off our backs. We need to be established in our own place. We need to have a nice little kingdom where we are free from every kind of invasion. And of course, Jesus is saying again and again as he goes through, if that's what you're looking for, you're going to be horribly disappointed. Now, my kingdom is not of this world, otherwise my followers would be fighting to establish it. It's a quite radical thought.
Now my debt is paid, it is paid in full by the precious blood that my Jesus spilled. Now the